Here's a simple, clear, and effective way to EQ your vocals in Cubase 5, even if you're not advanced. This works for rap, singing, Afrobeats, gospel, dancehall, anything. White heavy checkmark best way to EQ vocals in Cubase 5, step by step. 1. Start with a high-pass filter, HPF. This removes rumble and mud from the low end. Turn on high-pass filter. Set around 80 to 100 Hz for males. Set around 100 to 120 Hz for females. Increase until the vocal becomes thin, then bring it slightly back. Purpose: removes unwanted low-end noise and makes vocals clean. White heavy checkmark 2. Remove mud, the 200 to 350 Hz area. Most muddy, boxy sound lives here. Use a narrow dip, -2 dB to -4 dB, around 250 to 300 Hz. Sweep the EQ slowly to find the mud, then reduce. Purpose: makes vocals clearer and less thick. White heavy checkmark 3. Remove nasal/tinny frequencies, 800 Hz to 1.5 kHz. If vocals sound honky or nasal, reduce here. Cut -2 dB to -3 dB around 1 kHz. Purpose: makes vocals smoother and more natural. White heavy checkmark 4. Add presence for clarity, 3 kHz, 6 kHz. This is where the intelligibility lives, consonants, T, S, K, SH. Boost +2 dB to +4 dB around 4 to 5 kHz. Purpose: helps the vocals sit on top of the mix. White heavy checkmark 5. Add air and shine, 10 kHz to 16 kHz. This gives professional brightness. Use a high shelf EQ. Boost +2 dB to +6 dB around 10 to 12 kHz. Purpose: makes vocals sound expensive and polished. White medium star optional but powerful. 6. De-essing. If your S sounds are too sharp, add a de-esser. Target 6 kHz, 8 kHz. 7. Cut problems before boosting. Always cut bad frequencies first, then boost good ones. Microphone quick EQ preset, you can copy this. Male vocal EQ, starting point. HPF, 90 Hz. 3 dB at 250 Hz, mud. 2 dB at 1 kHz, nasal. +3 dB at 5 kHz, clarity. +4 dB at 12 kHz, air. Female vocal EQ, starting point. HPF, 110 Hz. 3 dB at 300 Hz. 2 dB at 1.2 kHz. +3 dB at 4.8 kHz. +4 dB at 12 to 14 kHz. Brain Pro tip: EQ is about listening, not rules. Your mic, your voice, your beat all affect what you need.